Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Baachain, BAA chain, which stands for Blockchain Advanced AI. We're going to go over the information on this token. It is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the info on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token, this is actually a token, even though, most blockchain coins are on their own blockchain and they're technically coins. This one is on the Binance Smart Chain. So a lot of these blockchain projects either have dual token economy or they start with a token on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain and then eventually migrate to a coin on their own blockchain. So this token is specifically on the Binance Smart Chain. There's only 4 holders, so it's not even available on PancakeSwap yet. This is a very brand new project. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a lot of tokens. There is a max total supply here of that is 810 quadrillion tokens. And name of the token is BAA, and ticker symbol is also BAA according to their BSC scan. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. Exactly, let me find the exact time here. February 24th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BAA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the token has a full white paper. If you go to their webpage, baachain.top, there is a 26-page white paper over there. Also, their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. Real easy to find it, BAA Chain on Twitter, on x.com. 8,247 Twitter followers and has a link to their webpage right there. It says Blockchain Advanced AI is an innovative project that aims to combine blockchain technology with artificial intelligence. And they have 47 tweets so far, and there's a cat over there that's making a lot of noise, and he will be quiet in a second here, or else, cat. Just kidding. But anyways, so this project, it says here, Blockchain Advanced AI, ticker symbol BAA. It's an innovative project. By combining the decentralization, immutability, and security features of blockchain with the intelligent decision-making of data analysis capabilities of artificial intelligence, BAA aims to build a more secure and efficient service platform. I don't see a Telegram listed on here. Maybe they don't have a Telegram yet. Yeah, that's strange. So just a Twitter so far. Most of these crypto projects have a Telegram. It's crazy these days not to have a Telegram, but I guess they don't. Now, in the wave of digital transformation, the integration of blockchain and AI represents the forefront of future financial services. The convergence, known as blockchain advanced artificial intelligence, not only heralds an innovation of financial technology, fintech, but also marks the birth of an entirely new financial ecosystem. In this ecosystem, both decentralization and intelligence are emphasized, aiming to provide more secure, efficient, and personalized financial services. BAA brings unprecedented opportunities and challenges to the financial services industry by combining the immutability of blockchain with the learning and prediction capabilities of AI. So the discussion scope of their white paper focuses on the application of BAA in the financial services field. So their white paper, 26 pages, a lot of information on there, big directory, shows you all the stuff involved here. Lots of chapters. So chapter 1 is the technical background. Just basically talks about blockchain technology overview and what it is. And then they talk about what artificial intelligence technology is. So if you need to learn about that, you can on their webpage and their white paper. So BAA, it's an innovative model. BAA has a broad application prospects in financial services, from improving the efficiency and security of payment systems to automating the execution of smart contracts to optimizing risk management and fraud detection through AI-driven data analysis. In addition, BAA's potential value also includes promoting financial inclusion by providing more customized and accessible financial products and services to meet the needs of different user groups. By in-depth exploring the combination of blockchain and AI, BAA can not only promote technological innovation in the financial industry, but also help build a more fair, efficient, and sustainable global financial system. So the application of BAA in the financial field, it says here, decentralized payment systems utilize blockchain technology to eliminate intermediaries such as banks and clearinghouses from traditional financial transactions, allowing for faster and lower cost transactions. In this system, BAA plays a key role, automatically monitoring the processing transactions through integrated AI technology to ensure the security and efficiency of transactions. So they use smart contracts, they use risk management, they have fraud detection, they have intelligent investment decisions. And let's scroll down here and we could find the tokenomics and allocation. We pretty much went over most of it when we looked at their BSC scan here, but let's see if they actually have token allocation. They do have case studies on their page too if you want to read all about that. It actually doesn't look like it even has tokenomics on their entire white paper, which is always annoying. But yeah, nope, they don't even have it on their webpage either, but maybe it's somewhere. Maybe they'll post it soon. No token allocation that I could see anyways. But yeah, brand new project, not even on PancakeSwap yet. BAAchain.top is where you could find all the info. So go have a look. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? I don't see a full audit either, so be aware of that. I don't see a full KYC. So hopefully they come out with that soon. And yeah, leave a comment down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment. Check out all the referral codes, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.